The first question is, Ikea Monkey was a rhesus monkey in a coat who got loose in a parking lot in North York in what Canadian city? The correct answer is B, Toronto. Question 2. Which of the following is not a major country in North America? The correct answer is A, Germany. Question 3. Trees that shed their leaves every year are called what? The correct answer is A, perennial. Question 4. What color is the spicy jalapeno pepper? The correct answer is C, green. Question 5. Mexico is located where in relation to the U.S.? The correct answer is south. Question 6. According to legend, who was King Arthur's wife? The correct answer is D, Guinevere. Question 7. The goiter of a goitered gazelle is found on what part of its body? The correct answer is B, neck. Question 8. The Nile may be longer, but this Brazilian river outranks it in terms of watershed area, number of tributaries, and volume of water discharged. What is it? The correct answer is A, Amazon. Question 9. Otters often use rocks as tools to do what? The correct answer is A, open clam shells. And the last question is, what was the profession of Niki Lauda, who was seriously injured in an air crash in 1976? The correct answer is C, motor racing driver. I hope you enjoyed this quiz and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.